Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to start with the new topic, which is Laravel and Vue.js with Vuex guys. So guys, we will be doing a CRUD application from the scratch using Laravel, your Vue.js and your Vuex. So guys, we'll be learning in this series like our core concepts of our Vuex, that is your state, getter, mutations, where actions, modules, everything. Okay, and we'll be using advanced application structure also for this our Vuex. So guys, now let's begin with installation part from the part 1. So yes guys, let's go to a Laravel documentation and you can install this via Composer. To install this application you need to have a Composer guys, so please make sure you install the Composer. Let's go to our htdocs. Under XAMPP folder, let's open a git bash or a command prompt and paste where I want to change this application to Laravel Vue and hit enter. Let's wait guys to get installed. Okay, so the folder is created guys and this is the application, but it's still installing, so let's wait to get installed fully. So guys, successfully installed, and let's close this. Let's open in our editor guys. So guys, now let's open our terminal and install our Vue in our Laravel application. So guys, for that you need to install a Laravel UI package. So Composer require Laravel/UI, hit enter. So guys, it's successfully installed now, and let's install the Vue guys. So php artisan UI space Vue double hyphen auth. Okay, and hit enter. So perfect. Please run npm install and npm run dev. First guys, let us run this npm install. So npm install. Okay, so guys, let's wait for this to get installed. Let me just make it to full width. Okay, so guys, npm installed successfully. So guys, after successfully npm is installed, then we are going to install all the Vue's libraries and its packages. So guys, for that there is a single command, so let's install at once. So you can just copy this and paste and hit enter guys. So it will install our Vue compiler, Vue loader, Vue router, Vuex and Axios and Vue Axios, all the things. So let's just wait guys to get installed for this. Okay, so you can find that all set, and now guys, let's run the npm run dev to set all the things. Let's see. Okay, so it's building it guys. So guys, you can see that Laravel mix, it's already compiled successfully, all set guys, and you can execute the output now. So once if you get no error and all, it's all set. So now guys, let me just minimize and show you the package.json file. So inside this you can find all the dev dependencies as your loader, router, Vuex compiler, Sass loader, everything, and your Axios too. So guys, now let me just close and let's run this. So let's go to our folder and open the git bash guys, or else if you're using command prompt, not issue, just serve it. So php artisan serve, hit enter, all set, started. Let's go to our Google Chrome and just start with the localhost 8000. Okay, so done guys, and now let's see the example of Vue.js. So let's move. First step guys, let's go to resource, where JS, inside this JS component you have an example. So we want to view this example data. This is view. So guys, for that you just need to set up one simple route. Let's go to web.php and copy and paste. Let's create a bleed file with the name example. Okay, because we are going to do the example component. Let's move to views and directly create the file guys, example.blade.php. Done. And for designing and all, you can just use that layout, so which has all this header, footer, everything. Okay, so we'll be using this. Let's just extend that at extends, where you will tell layouts folder app.php, and let's call the section content and end section. Inside this we will create a div tag where you will give a id is equal to view-app. Done. Now this content is coming from your extended layout. Okay, so inside this you are going to show the output. So with this id, how are you going to call? You just need to go back to your component, and this example component is called in our app.js file. Okay, so you can see that your view component example, and which is set over here. Okay, so if you go to this page, you'll move to example component. Okay guys, so now you just need to change over here, make it to view app, so it will be clear guys. So you are setting that new app, and this app.js calls in a particular id. So how it is connected, this is all, it's handled by the Laravel, so you do not need to worry. Just create the route, and over here I am going to create a route with the name example guys. So let's copy and go /example. If you give, perfect, but you did not get the output. Let's see why. We will start the application. So your artisan is already start, but your view one we have to start. So for that guys, npm run watch you have to give. So let's enter, and here guys it started. So now let's just wait to finish building it. All set guys, it is shown as built successfully. Let me just show you. Here it is built successfully guys, but over here you are getting an error. So this is toast error, that alert error. So in my system it is not set, so it is showing like that. Okay, so now guys, let's go to our web.php and copy the route, and let's see the output. Enter. Okay, so we are not getting the output. Let's go back. So now this ID is also correct. Oops, we have not called the component guys. So you need to call this example component inside your example blade file. So for example, here in this you can see they have set it. Okay, so let's copy this, because the same example component we have to call. You can just make in this way. That's it guys. So this example component, make sure you register in the app.js at this place. So that is the thing we are going to show. Okay, and now you can see the output. Refresh. Perfect. So guys, we have successfully executed the Vue.js and Laravel application. So yes guys, let's continue in next video with the CRUD applications, how to set up and create a student CRUD application in Vue.js and Vuex also. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.